In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between cash and accrual accounting in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to toggle between these two views so your profit and loss report reflects the story you need. Whether that's a cash flow snapshot or a performance view based on when income is earned and expenses are incurred. First, log into Xero. Once you're in your organization's dashboard, head to the top menu and click Reporting. This is where Xero keeps all your financial reports and where you can control how they're presented. From the reporting list, select Profit and Loss. The Profit and Loss report is ideal for illustrating the difference between cash and accrual because it summarizes your income and expenses over a period and shows how your profit changes when the accounting basis changes. Inside the Profit and Loss report, look toward the top area and click More. This opens additional options specific to how the report is calculated and displayed. Now review the accounting basis settings you see there. This is the control that determines whether the report runs on an accrual basis or a cash basis. It's important because the basis you choose changes the timing of when revenue and expenses appear on the report. If you want to see accrual accounting, select Accrual. With accrual, income is recognized when invoices are issued, and expenses are recognized when bills are received, regardless of when money actually moves. This view is great for understanding business performance and matching revenue with the expenses that generated it. If you want a cash-focused view, select Cash. With cash basis, income and expenses only show up when money is received or paid. This is helpful for understanding short-term cash flow and, in some jurisdictions, for preparing certain tax filings. After choosing your basis, review the updated financial report. Xero will refresh the profit and loss, and you'll likely notice shifts in totals. For example, under cash basis, profit may drop if you have lots of unpaid invoices, while expenses may fall if you have unpaid bills. Take a moment to compare profit and expense differences between the two views. The changes you see are purely about timing, not about transactions disappearing. This comparison can highlight collection delays, payment lags, or periods where work was done but not yet paid. When you're ready, click Update to refresh the report and lock in your selection for the current view. Use this whenever you change the basis to ensure the figures recalculate correctly. That's it. By switching between cash and accrual in Xero's profit and loss report, you can choose the lens that makes your analysis most accurate and actionable.